Hello and welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be talking about where to get PLR products with resell rights to resell on other platforms, right? And then if you want to get my next video, you would want to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next video, which is going to be a follow-up. I'm going to break this into two videos because I don't want this to end up being a 20-minute video. I want to try to keep this to 10 minutes, and so it's going to be two videos. The next video that I will be putting out will be where to sell your PLR ebooks. I know that a lot of you will be interested in this part because a lot of times the question is, well, that's cool. I've got some good PLR content now, but where do I sell it? How do I make money from it? So I'm going to put together a nice video on that. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on that. That video should be coming out the same day, actually, this evening or tomorrow on Wednesday, June 16th. So let's jump in where to get PLR products with resell rights to resell on other platforms, right? So right here, we're on Fiverr. Now, if you go to fiverr.com and sign up for an account as a buyer. So right here, I have a selling account and a buyer's account. And you're going to type in resell rights up here. So here's actually something interesting, and it's just kind of good to know. But if you type in PLR up here and push enter, there's not going to be anything that shows up. No services found for your search. Now, Fiverr has definitely done a clean out of PLR. You have to be careful with a lot of this stuff because I don't really think Fiverr really wants PLR all over their website, right? And they obviously cleared out gigs that had PLR because at one point there was thousands of posts, thousands of gigs that had the word PLR in them. So you can go ahead and type in private label rights and some stuff will show up, right? So over 3,000. So it's like Fiverr just doesn't know that PLR stands for private label rights or something because, they have thousands now of people that have uploaded these, but this will probably, not, like right here, I will give you 5,000 articles with private label rights. So it's the exact same thing as PLR. They're just writing it out, what it actually is, private label rights. And this stuff is selling. Look at all the reviews. This stuff is selling. So you can go and get this PLR here, right? And another word that you can type in right here is just literally type in resell rights. And if you type in resell rights, there's more stuff that will show up, right? I will give you 300 health and fitness videos with resell rights for $10. Look at that, 300 health and fitness videos. You can actually get that and you would have 300 videos to upload to a YouTube channel. You could, the sky's the limit. You can do so many things with PLR. It's done for you content. People already did the content for you. Look at this, 2,000 ebooks with full resell rights. I mean, try to upload 2,000 ebooks to these other platforms I'm going to be telling you about tomorrow. It's going to take you a long time if you wanted to post all 2,000 of those books. But I can tell you right now, if you publish all those on these platforms, then you will be making money. And then right here, I will send you 300,000 plus life-changing ebooks with resell rights. They don't have any reviews, but as you can see, I will send you 100 fitness health ebooks with resell rights. So here's the key thing. Reseller rights, resell rights. That is what you want, right? And so this is a good place to get your content. So to get these resell rights, and then another place we can go over here, we can go to eBay. If you go to eBay and you type in ebooks, resell rights, then you're going to come over here and you're actually going to see all kinds of stuff. So we have over 1,000 results right here on eBay. TikTok marketing ebook PDF with resell rights. They've sold 38. And then we come down over here, like new listing right here. Then we have this big package right here, only 99 cents. That's ridiculous. 127 of those sold. YouTube marketing, start to kind of look through here and to see like 60 sold right here, Easy Keto. And you can see this Easy Keto book right here. If we come back over here, this was actually over here. Look, Easy Keto. It's on Fiverr as well. It's going to be different sellers. So what I even recommend doing if you want to stand out from the crowd is actually grab the PLR stuff and make your own graphics. So go ahead and check out some of my, I put a video out like a week ago or so on how to rebrand PLR properly. You can go in here and spend 5 minutes and make a cooler design than that in Canva, and you would actually have a unique design that nobody else on the planet is going to have, and that's going to set you apart. Because right here, I can pick this apart and I could find 90% of these books. I could go and find them on the internet all over the place. So if you want to stand out, just a side note, side tip, recreate the covers and make a real business out of it. So 43 sold there, 64 sold, 91. Now I will also make another, I mean, look at this. Wow. Ebooks collection, 871 of these sold. That is incredible. So this is the proof, right? There's proof that this stuff sells on these platforms, but also this is a great way to come and get some cheap 99-cent PLR products that you can do a lot with. Now, I will say that I think it's risky, a little bit risky on eBay. Not buying this is not, and I think they'll get your email and they'll just email the file to you. So there's no real risk of buying one of these items, I don't think, other than, I guess possibly you could lose 99 cents if they don't make the delivery. But more importantly, though, that this will probably be one of the platforms that I'm going to recommend selling on, but you want to do that at your own discretion and your own risk, right, with eBay. Because I'm not really sure that they actually do like having digital products being sold on the site, but a lot of people, as you can see, get away with it. So it's kind of like a use at your own risk type thing. So I'm just putting that disclaimer there. Another one is Etsy, and you can come over here and type in ebook resell rights on Etsy and look at you're going to get all this stuff that has, if you put your cursor over here, it tells you with resell rights PDF. This one also says with resell rights, fast delivery, 100 make money online affiliate marketing, and it also has resell rights and all kinds of stuff. So these all have resell rights, and you can grab these and do all kinds of stuff. Like look at this 8,000 PLR MMR ebooks, make a bundle for $12, and you get resell rights as well. So you can just keep scrolling through here and looking at all these different products that you can come in over here and check out, right? So you can get the products there as well. But I will say that my favorite place, and the place that you're going to get the highest quality PLR, in my opinion, is coming to a site over here, Warrior Plus. You go to Warrior Plus. Yes, I am logged in to the back office, but if you come to Warrior Plus, then what you can do is you can actually go over to the marketplace and look for different products. So, or even if when you sign up as an affiliate, you can come over here and go to the launch calendar, click on the launch calendar, and then it's going to pull up all the different stuff that is, the different launches. So for the 15th, right? So June 15th is right here. You can actually click on it and it'll open up the calendar. We have affiliate pro formula, pin with confidence, e-commerce sellers, anti-aging existing PLR bundle. So here is a bundle. So we can right click. I'm going to open that up in a new tab. Crypto profits. Most of them, if it's a private label rights product or PLR product, it will say PLR in it. So we have another one right here, marketing success mindset for seniors. I'm going to right click that, open a new tab. PLR cybersecurity mastery. Open that up. So out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products that are launched on Warrior Plus today, 3 of them are in fact private label rights. And the list goes on. When you go to different days, you're going to get more. Let's just go back in some of the other ones. You get right here, limited PLR, Independence Day, 5 ways to monetize your blog. Here's another one, limited PLR, 10 ways to get more visitors. Here's another one, fitness existing PLR mega bundle. Now you're going to, if you start buying PLR products on Warrior Plus, you're going to find some vendors that really, really put out very high quality PLR products. And then you find some other people that do not put out the highest quality of PLR. So you're going to come across some of these PLR sellers that have really high quality stuff. So right here we have Tiffany Lambert, and she is a top vendor, and she has a lot of really high quality stuff. And what I recommend is clicking on the vendor name, and you can see, they have high quality. Look, she has a 4.10 rating, and there's a lot of people, to get a 4 or higher on Warrior Plus, that means you are putting out very high quality stuff. But this is a trustworthy vendor. They have good ratings, and they have almost 4,000 followers, and they've made almost 16,000 sales. You know that this is going to be, you can scroll through here and see some of the ratings and stuff, mostly 5 stars. So this is going to be high quality stuff. And when they're making big sales like this and they have good ratings, then you know that this is high quality stuff. So I'll go and I'll check it out. I'll scope it out. And if it looks good, it's worth $5, $10, $15, even $20 for a front end product, because you're getting very good value. They went the extra mile to get good graphics made. This person in particular, their big thing is that they write all this from scratch. So they actually write this because they're a writer. They're by trade, they are an actual writer. So they come up with this. They have a really good, they'll tell you exactly what you get in all the chapters. This one's over 10,000 word ebook. I like the packs that have over 10,000 words, because in my PLR Profits Academy course, I teach you that with a 10,000 word book, you can turn that into a Udemy course and upload that on Udemy, right? And that will be a 1-hour course, and you will stand to make a lot more sales when you have an hour course. So I like this, pretty simple sales page here, but you can tell that it's going to be very high quality stuff. So that's an example of a good vendor on Warrior Plus. They have other stuff. Here's the one of the other ones that we had clicked on. We can go check out the sales page too. So this is kind of how I do my research when I'm going to decide if I'm going to buy PLR, but marketing success mindset for seniors. That's really cool. Seniors that are internet marketers and how they are going to be able to start making money online as well. And then you have this other one, cybersecurity. So fire launchers. So if you click on fire launchers, you're going to see that they have a ton of products as well. They have a good rating, not as high as the other person, but they have, anything over 3, I'm going to say is a pretty good vendor. And they have almost 5,000 followers and almost 16,000 sales as well. And so you can come in and you can check out all the products, but then we'll go and check out the sales page real quick. And this sales page looks really good. So you can tell, like this one,
business owners.
let me pause that. It's pretty loud. But they have a really good sales page right here. You can go and read through all the stuff you're going to get on this for the cybersecurity PLR. So they have a lot of really good graphics, nice, stunning sales page. So you're most likely going to get a pretty good product. You want to go and see exactly what you're going to get inside the product, like how many words do you get on this product. So I recommend doing your due diligence there, right? So yeah, the proof there, but you're going to get high quality stuff if you do the right research on Warrior Plus. And then another place that's really cool is you can come over to Munchie. So if you go to munchie.com, then this place is going to be kind of do all that work for you. And so what I mean by that is that this is a launch list of JV Zoo products, Warrior Plus products. It also has ClickBank on here. And then I think, which one's this one? This is a PLR video course right here too. And this is on Pay Kickstart. It's another affiliate marketing platform. So, here's a, PLR right there. But another thing that you can do, because a lot of the products on here are PLR, a lot of them are, training courses, and a lot of them are softwares. But if you go up here and you just push Control F on a computer and you type in PLR, now look at all the different in yellow, all the different, highlights of PLR. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can just count. There's just so many different PLR being launched all the time. And so what you can do is sift through this. And if it's something that you like, or you think it looks like good quality, you can snag these up usually from anywhere from $5 to $10 at the launch day. The launches are usually 3 days long. And then you can have, these are only going to sell 100 or 200. So it's going to be a lot less than when you go to like sites like Big Product Store or PLR Assassin or ID PLR. Those are big websites that have thousands of people subscribe to them. So as soon as they launch, for example, I'm going to go over here to Big Product Store. And if we go to Big Product Store, which, I have a lifetime membership here, and I do recommend this site. It's great. But as soon as a new product comes out, people are going to grab the product right away. They're going to grab the product and they're going to go and list it. And so, by buying unique stuff on Warrior Plus, you're going to, have a lot less competition buying that stuff up. But then also another good way you can do this though is even if you grab one of these, just rebrand it, and then you will be on your own, and then rebrand it and retitle it, and you'll have complete brand new PLR to sell for yourself. So Okay, so that's going to wrap up the video. So again, let me just close by saying to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Teach Me Money Methods so you don't miss out on the next video, because it's going to be a follow-up to this video where it's going to be where to sell all these PLR ebooks that you just purchased and picked up. So I hope you got value from this. If you did, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video.